Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to share with you some great news and updates from my school Speak Ukrainian. I'm very excited. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave a comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. First of all, I would like to say thank you, my dear friends, for your great support. I appreciate it. You are my best friends, my family. You are great supporters for me, and therefore I can keep moving. You inspire me. And you know that recently I recorded video in which I told you that I'm not going to teach at Oxford University, and I feel a little bit like upset, and it's tough for me to keep moving, but despite everything I do move, and I'm so happy to share some amazing news. First of all, I would like to tell you that my team, and I have a big team of people who work together with me in my school Speak Ukrainian. I have a team of 15 teachers. They are all professional native teachers, and then I have a team of 10 people who work together with me. And we are so happy to present you a new textbook, Easy Ukrainian Dialects for levels A2 B1. So I'm sure you know that we last year we launched this beautiful textbook, Easy Ukrainian Dialects for levels A1 A2. A1 A2 it's beginners, and A2 B1, the new one, it's for levels like pre-intermediate and for those who are going to the intermediate level. So the authors of this amazing textbook are the teachers from my school. It's Natalia Trots and Marina Nosachenko. They created this amazing textbook, and it consists of 68 dialects. It has 10 topics, intermediate ones. Also, you can find the Ukrainian dialects, their translation in English. Also, vocabulary list, professional voiceover. So please check it out on my website speaky.com. Enjoy, and I'm sure it will be very useful for you. Also, at our website, at our school Speak Ukrainian, you can find another amazing textbook. You can check it out. This is a textbook that is called Українська мова, практичний курс для іноземців, and this is a grammar textbook by Halina Matsuk. Halina Matsuk is a professional native teacher. She's a PhD from Chernobyl University, and this is a very solid, and I think this is the only one complete grammar book, and it is very useful, and I use it for a while with my students, and here you can find all the grammar topics that you need. Actually, all of them, they are covered for all the levels, tables, explanations, rules, exercises, and I'm so happy that this year we started to collaborate together with Halina Matsuk. She's also a teacher at my school, and you can purchase her textbook at speaky.com. Please, all the links you can check out the description of this video. And another news. Guys, I'm launching my physical offline courses in London. Oh my God, oh my God. God bless me. Please give me strength to do that, and let it be successful, and I hope it will work out well. Okay, so I would like to keep moving. Oh my God, I already said this phrases many times today, sorry. But I decided to create offline courses in London, and I'm launching them on October 23. So we're going to start from this week, and I will teach 2 groups. One group is for level A1, it's for absolute beginners, and the second one is for a level A2, it's for those who are beginners. They can if you can learn the alphabet, you can read in Ukrainian language, you know some basic grammar and vocabulary, and then you feel that you're stuck and you can't move forward to reach this solid intermediate level, then you're welcome to join this A2 level group, and there will be up to 10 people, 8, 10 it's maximum, and we're going to work very intensively. I will be so happy to be your guide and to teach you. We will read together, have discussions, do exercises, learn the grammar. I will explain you everything in details, and I will answer all your questions. We will work very productively. We will have a common WhatsApp group, so I'll give you yours when I will provide my support. We will chat, I will give you the homework, I will check it out, so it will be very, very productive. And we're going to learn this program, and it will last 3 months, from October 23 until February the 2nd, because we will have this break during the Christmas holidays, of course. And we will have 2 lessons per week, and I think it will be the format that we will do 1 lesson in class. It will be in Holland Park, Central Line in London, and 1 will be online via Zoom. Why? Because we will have these lessons in the evenings, and it won't be very convenient for many my English students to reach the class 2 times per week during the weekdays. Therefore, we're going to do this mixed classes, and I think it will be convenient for most of the students. So you can say, Ina, I don't live in London, I don't live in the UK, I live somewhere else, I want to learn Ukrainian language with you. Guys, I believe that this will be the first I hope successful trial to make these physical courses, and then I will be able to extend them, and there will be maybe school, Ukrainian language school in London, and then I will be able to create the similar schools in Kyiv after the victory. But in Kyiv it will be a huge Ukrainian language and culture center, but I hope across the world in the big cities I will be able to open language schools, and you will be able to attend and have some offline intensive courses. And I want to do my mission. I want to spread the beautiful Ukrainian language, to make it more popular. I want more and more people start speaking it, enjoying it, because it is very important for me. That's my language front. That's my mission, to help my nation, my country, my culture to survive, to keep living. So let's do that together. So yeah, if you have any questions, please write to my email, info@speaka.com. Also, you can check out the website where I present all these offline language courses in London. You're welcome to check them out. If you live in England, please sign up. I will be so happy to see you soon. Thank you so much, everybody who support me, who write nice words, who share my videos, who like them, who donate. Thank you so much. Special thank you to my patrons. Дуже дякую. Please subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. If you want to learn Ukrainian language online, you have this possibility. At my website, speaka.com, there are a trial lesson for $1. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Разом до перемоги. Together to the victory. Слава Україні!